Today I'm going to be building a working Lego press and we're going to be testing to find out, will it crush? I'm going to start out this build by building a Technic framework, and that's going to be housing not one but 4 of the linear actuators. I wanted this build to be as strong as possible, so I used these rectangle Technic pieces as well to tie it all in together. There was a lot of trial and error involved in this build as I had no prior plans or experience in this field, so I was just winging it and hoping for the best. So after what seemed like quite a lot of trial and error, I've managed to come up with this. It is, I believe, in the final stages of completion, just ready for powering up. We managed to figure out all the gearing for the 4 actuators. Need to add in some plates onto the press and onto the base. Added in a little bit of paneling just for some sort of detail, doesn't serve any actual purpose, and then just got a couple of feet on it. So let's carry on, get the power on it, and let's put it to the test. So I've done everything that I'm going to do with regards to tidying it up. All I've done is just add on a plate at the front, so this will be what's facing. So we are ready to start trying to squash some stuff. Let's get crushing. So will it crush? I've got a few things to test out. We've got a couple of squishes, a bit of a strawberry, and some digestive biscuits. That's all I've got to test it with. But let's get to it. So I'm going to start with the squishy, which hopefully it'll squish because, well, it's squishy. Let's go. How satisfying is that? I think that's reached maximum crushability. It's a good job I put this panel on the front to hide all what's going on, but it's falling apart. We get have it breaking on the first test. Right, out with the squishy. I'd say that was a success. We've got another squishy. I'm going to leave that one for the moment. We're going to try the strawberry. Let's go with the strawberry. Here it goes. Oh, I can see it juicing. It's juicing. It's squishing. Oh, look at the state of that. Oh, wait there. That works really, really well. It's extremely impressive. I need to strengthen up the gear situation on the top of here, but I think we've got one more test in it. That'll do for that. Let's try. Disclaiming the biscuit is stale. Hopefully it's going to squish. Let's go. Oh no, technical difficulties. Building the climax. There it goes. Oh, that's struggling. Oh. So definitely need to do some work on strengthening these gears at the top. The motor seems to have plenty of power. The gear ratio for the power seems pretty good, but the strength of how I built it isn't particularly great. So we're going to call it time on that and say that unfortunately the biscuit defeated us. What a shame. But the strawberry was a huge success. Absolutely love it. It still stinks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks ever so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.